Aloha again, everyone. Mike Drutar, principal broker and owner, NextHome, Paradise Realty, Kailua Kona, Hawaii, bringing you another property tour. Today, I am outside of my listing at Hale O Keauhou. This is in Keauhou, Hawaii, on the Big Island. Got a beautiful day up here. We got views of Hualalai Mountain up there. Check that out. Gorgeous, clear day. Anyone who tells you Kona just has nothing but fog, show them this video. I'm going to take a tour of the inside of this property, tell you my 3 favorite things about it when we get to the end. I think you're going to like this. There's a lot to take in here. We are a 2-level, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,404 square foot condo built in 2005. And we have ocean views being sold, turnkey furnished, and this complex does allow short-term vacation rentals. What? In Kona? That's true. It is the only complex that allows short-term vacation rentals in Kona, built since 2000. You can get some on the water, but they're like places built in the 70s and stuff, and a lot of people don't really dig that quite so much. And that's one of the reasons that Hale O Keauhou is super popular. Another reason is that they all have 1-car attached garages. So I know you're going to want to see some of the view. We got ocean view right out here from our ground level lanai. You can see plenty of space. These units have a little bit of distance in between them. They're not all right on top of each other for each pod. So that's definitely a plus. Plenty of view there into town. It gets even better upstairs, and I'm going to show that to you as well. This is a furnished unit. The list of things that aren't coming with it are, well, it was so small it was easier to put that together than the list of things included, because that's pretty much everything. So our living space, they recently, within the last year or so, replaced the, put a little area here. I think it was carpet before, and they replaced it with this luxury vinyl. Very popular. We see people are doing quite a bit these days. You got a couple chairs, couch, which is a hide-a-bed, another couch, or I'm sorry, another chair, another different style chair over here. Pretty good setup on this. We got high ceiling, central air conditioner, and I like the treatments that they have here on the windows. Nice and island style. And this is including the artwork. So here's a, looks like a Tabora, if you guys are familiar with him. Actually, I have a Tabora painting that I am auctioning off at our Board of Realtors function here coming up this next week. Or is it this weekend? It might even be this weekend. Kitchen. Now, I like how they built these kitchens. Number one, it's got a lot of, you don't feel like you're separated out at all from the living area. You can see that you're totally connected here. We've got a really nice granite. I like this island here. Has seating for 4 around it, and I've been sitting here all day showing this property. This is probably the hottest listing in Kona right now. I kid you not. We've had at least 15 people come here already today, just agents, not even an open house, just having it open for agents to show to their clients. And it's been really busy, and I have at least 3 more people coming before the end of the day. Let's check out our, I like this. It's not a stainless steel. It's like a matte finish. It looks sharp. It looks like, so yeah. So these are becoming more popular. The stainless ones, when you touch them, you leave fingerprints and stuff. That doesn't have quite the same setup. Actually, this is the exact same stove that I have in my house, except I have a stainless steel front on this and on this piece here, and it does get a lot of fingerprints on there. Nice setup, soft close. I like that on our drawers. The cabinets are nice. So, when you're looking at something here with Hale O Keauhou, you're probably going to compare it to places like Kona Sea Ridge, Ali'i Lani, Ali'i Cove, Ali'i Park Place, and Kona Sea Villas. Ali'i Park Place is probably on par in terms of construction quality, but this is definitely higher quality than you are going to see in the sunstone properties of Kona Sea Ridge, where I live, Ali'i Cove, and Kona Sea Villas. And see if, oh yeah, see if this picture comes out. Check out that one. With the lava going into the ocean. Who did that? What? I like to take photos every once in a while too. Side-by-side refrigerator. Man, if you guys are watching me every week, you've watched me make this mistake every time. French door refrigerator with the freezer drawer on the bottom. A side-by-side would be like a refrigerator on one side and a freezer on the other, and it goes, I don't even know if they make those anymore. I keep saying it though. Got a good sized pantry over here. I love how deep this thing is. Check that out. Plenty of space. And then we have a half bathroom down here, pedestal sink, and toilet is right behind that door. So you have your 2 bedrooms upstairs, so when you have people visiting, they can just use this bathroom. Going upstairs, we have a gray luxury vinyl flooring. And they had a special order these because if you know people who've done this, a lot of times they're having to figure out how to make the staircase work. You have to get special pieces to make that bull nose. So that's a bit of an upgrade. Got a good amount of storage right here under the staircase. You could fit at least 2 or 3 bikes in there. And then the game changer, a 1-car attached garage. So Kona Sea Villas has garage units, not attached. Ali'i Cove has some garage units not attached. Ali'i Park Place has garage units not attached. So this has an attached garage, so that's kind of nice. And great size water heater there. And a second refrigerator. So, you know, we don't get giant refrigerators in condos. I know, I live in one, and we go to Costco, and then we come home, and I mean, I just give up. I have my lovely wife put everything in the refrigerator and the freezer because I can't deal with it because it's like a giant game of Tetris. And it's super frustrating. So having a second refrigerator takes care of that. I mentioned we had some good artwork up there. Some of my Hawaii fans are going to know that that is a Wyland. Signed a number, I assume G. Clay. I don't know, were they doing G. Clay in 1994? I'm not sure. That's gotta be a G. Clay, right? Anyways, yeah, the Wyland conveys. So, up here to our upstairs level, this is where our bedrooms are. We have a stacked washer dryer, full-size washer dryer in a stacked configuration, so not your normal apartment stack washer dryer that's small. Good amount of storage over here, cleaning supplies, all those things that you need, perfect. And then we come into bedroom 2. So here in bedroom 2, we got a slider closet, about 6 foot long, typical depth. So you're set on that. And let's take a minute to kind of check out the window hardware that we have here. So you're not seeing this in those other condos that I mentioned. Good quality windows. I mean, you can just feel how solid they are. And then over here, you can latch it down. Good stuff on that. We got a bed already set up in here. This looks like a California king. Could be a queen, but I think it's a California. Maybe it is a queen. You could easily fit a California or a standard king in here. You got plenty of room on either side. And then here's something that's pretty rare in a condo is that you have an en-suite bathroom for your second bedroom. That's not common. So that's a really good thing to have. If you have guests who are over, it's nice to give them their space. So I like that setup. Another nice little piece of artwork here. Right here we have our thermostat for our AC. Another little closet here, perfect for linens. Actually, take back the word little. That's pretty deep for a linen closet and pretty wide too, so a lot of storage space in there. And then into the owner's suite. Really like the setup of the owner's suite. A couple big things. Number one, you have this really good sized bathroom with a separate tub and shower setup. And look at that, we got our tile all the way up to the ceiling. Bonus points for that. And the his and her sinks on opposite sides, so you have your own space. Great privacy door for the water closet, door for the bathroom here, and then right across, And then in here to the owner's bedroom, we got an Eastern king size bed, really impressive bedroom set, some nice, solid, large, gorgeous furniture. I'm gonna get to the other side of the room so that the light is really helping. Yeah, really, really good job on that. And I think you could make this room a little bit bigger if you wanted. You know, these were really popular pieces to have back in the day because people put their TVs in there and because they wanted to hide it. But now, you know, we all have these flat panel TVs that we can put on any wall. You know, if you were to remove that, I think it'd even open this room up even more. And then, of course, from here, we got an outstanding ocean view. I like how they did the glass down here. You see that on some of our finer homes. A lot of places would have just done this in wood, had a whole bunch of wood pieces, and it would have looked fine. But this looks much better. It just sort of disappears, makes everything feel a lot more open. Looking towards the south here, and southwest to the west, and then all the way across. So much ocean view today. We do face west, so you will get some of that afternoon sun. So we have these roller screens that you could lower to keep it cool inside if you wanted to, and then open it up right at that golden hour. So we've got ocean view, check. Short-term vacation rental, check. Garage, I mean, that's a real premium for a condo. Check on that. We got a new luxury vinyl flooring. I mean, there's really a lot to like. Let's see. So what are my 3 favorite things about this condo? Number 1, this is an easy one for me because just from a market perspective, great that it allows short-term vacation rentals, 7-day minimum. It's the only newer complex in Kona that does allow short-term vacation rentals. So that's a really big one. The number 2 thing about this condo compared to the other condos that you're going to see in our market, particularly here in Kona, is the construction quality. These were built a lot better than those other ones that I mentioned earlier and that I've been in before, and I love them, don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with those, not trying to diss on them, but this is just a better level of construction. And then number 3, boy, is it the view or is it the garage? Well, I guess it's got to be the view, right? So having this great ocean view right out here, I'm not going to walk into this window this time, that doesn't get old. I love the garage too, but I think if I had to choose between having a garage and losing the ocean view at my condo, I'd probably just live with not having a garage. So those are my 3 favorite things. All right, I hope you like this video. Hot property, if you are interested in this, give me a call, let me know, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon.